never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel it from the party. If you start shit, you be heartless and live darkness. Torn apart quick, you let scars rip to be chewed up and discarded. And this feeling right, I accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space to protect it. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no legs, they don't kill when I'm desperate. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, and unconscious me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't trust me, I might lose control of the lost beast. So, plug away inside with the key control, fly to fly. And this world ain't right, I'll accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and